Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change PS5 username. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To change your PS5 username, also known as your PlayStation Network Online ID, follow these steps. From the main menu, navigate to the settings, scroll down, and choose to click Users and Accounts. Under the Account section, choose to click Profile, then choose Online ID. You may be prompted to sign in to your PlayStation Network account for security purposes. Now, on your mobile phone, follow any prompts to sign in by allowing all permissions. Then on your home page, go to the settings, then find the scan QR code, then enable camera access, then scan the QR code on the screen for convenience, then tap approve, tap OK. Now go back to the screen and enter your new ID. Follow the prompts to confirm the change. Take note that changing your online ID may cause issues with some games, particularly older ones. Sony provides a list of games with known issues. After confirming your PS5 will update to reflect your new online ID. You may need to log back in to some services or games. Important considerations. Cost. The first charge is free, but subsequent changes may incur a fee, typically $9.99 or $4.99 for PlayStation Plus members. By following these steps, you can change your PS5 username and start using a new online ID across the PlayStation Network. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.